Hey, what is up, Splashers? And today we are going to fix your Razer device, or Razer Synapse not detecting device. This is technically a remake version of my old video, which is definitely hard to understand, but now I'm gonna make it clear as possible. So first, what you want to do is just type to search bar is Bluetooth and other devices settings, and scroll down until you see your Razer device, and after that just click your Razer device, remove device, and yes. Okay, so now it's removing device. What you want to do is just wait. Okay, so you want to unplug your Razer USB and plug it again. Hold on, I'm just gonna unplug this real quick. Okay, there you go. Now it's plugged. You want to go to your search bar and search Razer Synapse, and now it'll work like before. So that's about it. You can change the lighting and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. I mean, show love, because that'll help me a lot and it'll keep me going. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.